ग्लासेस निकाल दे भाई। What's your good news? Anybody want to share some good news?
Well, I just came in and I heard it's a very nice movie. So I brought my mom to see this movie. It connects you with your homeland, with your family, with your country. So I think it's going to be a very emotional film. So I'm going to carry some tissues with me.
Okay, thank you. Anybody like to share good news?
My name is Anu Dua. I just want to see what this movie is about. I really do not know much about it, but I wish good luck. It looks like it should be a very nice movie. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
My name is Damayanti Gokalani. I'm from the Long Island Indian Association.
My name is Bina Sabapati. I'm from Long Island. I came to see this movie because it's about the old age, how they face the problem when you hit that age. So we are at that age. So we want to see this movie and share our experience with others. Thank you, Anu.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello everybody. How's everybody doing today? On behalf of Indian American Forum and Apple Productions, I would like to welcome all of you today here in the afternoon, beautiful Sunday afternoon, at the premiere of the movie Khushiyan. We are very happy and we are very thankful to our dear friend and noted actor and producer and director, very well known in the tri-state area, Mr. Tilok Malik, who actually has willing to sponsor the movie and he spoke to us because we run the senior programs in Long Island. So today the involvement of Indian American Forum for the movie is that we are also doing a fundraising for our senior programs. We will tell you more in details about our program. So before we go further, I would like to invite one of our board members, Dr. Praveen Chopra, who has been in the community for the last 30 years, working diligently and very well known, with so many degrees to his name, recipient of Ellis Island Award medal, including up to the Liberty Award medal. So Dr. Chopra is our esteemed member of the trustees and the board member. He will come and say a few words. Dr. Praveen Chopra.
Thank you very much, Induji. How about the veteran Indian producer, actor, and with multi-talent, Mr. Tilok Malik? All of us, we have come to this country, and when we came over here, we chose our professions or business, and we got involved in our day-to-day activities. But there was one person who thought about peeking into the hearts of people, and he wanted to see what's happening to their heart, Why? Because they left near and dear ones back home in India and they came over here to this country. And they developed the sororal relationship so that they could compensate. Of course, nobody can compensate family relationship, but they wanted to do something which will help them, which will suit their heart. But this is one person, Mr. Malik, who took time out of the ordinary because his heart was ticking and he was listening to the distant beat of a drummer, and he wanted to be innovative and highly creative, and he made the Indian movies as his arena. And no wonder today's movie is the result of that. And wonderful. Don't feel shy. Give him the robust and thundering applause for the great work that he has been doing. And there's no doubt about it that we don't have MGM, we don't have Warner Brothers. This is our Steven Spielberg. And we want him to keep making these movies so that Indian community can certainly peek into their own heart and they can go deeper into their own emotions, subtlety, enrich their own life in America with cultural ethos, and always stay bounded together. As the experience of the Irish, the Jewish, the Italian indicates to us, when you care for your culture, you go a long way. Indian community story in this country is a story of wealth, hard work, professionalism, but now we need to add some emotions to that. And it is only people like Mr. Tarok Malik who can do that. At this point, I'm going to introduce one of the veteran ladies who has worked in the Indian American community for a long, long period of time. And of course, that is our Mrs. Indu Jaiswal. A word about her. I know her for the last almost 3 decades. She got involved on Long Island and practically every function that is held by the government at the county level, at the town level, and of course at the, in the community in different facets of life. And she is the one who is always on the front. And we have other members of the board. She is going to introduce them also. And here is to the inordinate amount of work that she puts in, the hard work she salutes, and her family, Sudhir, who is over here, who is always with her. And it's a tribute to both of you that this function is here. And somebody has to do the work, and she is always the backbone of these activities. Here it is to you, Mrs. Indu Jaiswal.
Thank you so much, Praveenji. That was very nice of you. As you know that any of these events are not possible without the help of our board members, our board of trustees, and our sponsors. So at this moment, I'm going to be is it working? Hello, okay. I'm going to be requesting our board of trustees and board members to please come up on the podium as I recognize and call their names. Dr. Azad Anand, Dr. Parveen Chopra, Mr. Nimish Goenka is in India, Dr. Bhupendra R. Patel, Mr. Surendra Rametra, Mr. Mahendra Singh Taneja. Please, I'm requesting the Board of Trustees to please come up on the podium for a minute, please. And they deserve a round of applause because all these members have worked very, very hard in their different areas and they support our events all the time. Dr. Bhupendra Patel, we need you, please. Our executive members, Mrs. Jaya Bahatkar, Mrs. Anu Kulati, Mr. Vijay Goswami, Dr. Quatra is in India, Mr. Niranjan Patel, Mrs. Janki Rao, and Mrs. Sabiya Mithaiwala. So, can I request all of you please come up on the stage for a minute or just stand up and be recognized? Please, all of you please stand up and be recognized. As I said that our program cannot be done without our sponsors. So, as you see in our playbill, most of our sponsors are our board of trustees. And we want to recognize our sponsors because without their help, this program cannot be, continued. We also want to thank our media sponsors and our sponsors who have helped in putting today's program together. Dr. Azad and Nutan Anand, Dr. Urmilesh and Yashpal Arya, Ram Ravi Bhuplapur from Xavier University School of Medicine, John Campbell, UBS Financial Services, Dr. Parveena Nusha Chopra, Dr. Vinod and Anu Gulati, Animesh and Anupam Goenka, Kundan and Santosh Jasuja Foundation, Mr. Shubh Singh Jasuja, Mr. Rizwan Qureshi from Habib American Bank, Dr. Bhupendra and Indira Patel, Surinder and Nirmala Rametra, Sunil Rihal from IFS Finance Insurance Group, Mr. Bhavendra Singh Taneja. The media sponsors are abstv.com, goodnewsbroadcasting.com, JMT Creations, Penny from Just Punjabi, News India Times, South Asian Insider, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta from South Asian Times, TV Asia and EBC Radio. Special thanks to Eros Entertainment, Reeves Lehman, chairman of the film video, and animation department at SVA. So we want to thank our sponsors. We have some citations for them. So as I take the names, please come up and accept your citations and be recognized. I'm going to ask Mr. Ravi Bhuplapur to please come up and accept his citation. And I'm going to request Mr. Malik to please join us. And Dr. Bhupendra Patel, please request you to come and give the citations, please. Mr. Malik. Ravi Bhuplapur is a very dear old friend of ours, and he has a Xavier University. We want to thank you for all your. Okay, our second sponsor is Dr. Azad Nuthanandan. Waived. Okay, so well, most of our sponsors are our board members. So, Mr. Rizwan Qureshi from Habib American Bank, or anybody here is from Habib American Bank? Okay. We need to move on because our board members are very modest. Okay. A very special thanks to our media sponsors, and especially South Asian Insider, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta from South Asian Times, for all their hard work and generosity in helping us to promote this event. At this moment, we do have Mr. Malik, who's here with us, the producer. I'm going to request Mr. Sri from Columbia University. He is, who does not know Sri from Columbia University? I remember seeing him on ABC, TV. You want to say a few words about it? And he's the co-founder of SAJA, which is the biggest, journalist association, and a very well-known, professor from Columbia University. It's my honor and pleasure to introduce Sri.